Welcome, today in front of me MEIZU M5S, and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So first you should go to the Play Store, and here on the search bar type green Apple keyboard, and that will be this application. Now just tap to install and wait a few seconds while application installing on your device. Now just here tap to open, and here click enable in settings, and near the Apple keyboard switch your touchpad to the English United States keyboard, and now just go back. Here tap to the switch input methods and switch your system keyboard to the English United States keyboard. And now here, as can you see, we got our new keyboard. It's so close to the iPhone one, but unfortunately the emojis, they are not so close to the iPhones, but only the keyboard is really close to the iOS one. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.